question. Team A will be asking Team B, and Team B will be asking Team A. Yes, please. You are Team A and you are Team B. Ask. Anybody, anyone, or anyone can answer the question. Ask.
Who has Nunes?
Have you logged in?
Yes. Who has?
1 minute. Aapka, where are you? I can't see you.
Roll number 17.
Roll number 17. All right. From Team A, Shivam is asking a question to anybody from Team B.
Yes.
One minute. I did not hear the answer. What was the question? Question kya tha? What was the question?
Who has sketched his character?
Mountaineer does plans on the mountain.
And 10.
Sit down. One question only. Now your question and their answer. Yes.
Who is Medina Road?
Medina Surut is a girl who is the daughter of Jacob, and Medina Surut and in English, as we heard the name of the story, the country of blindness. Both they love and that's it.
Your question. You can ask any meaning of any word, or you can ask anything from the selfish giant. You can ask the postmaster, whatever.
Related to the story.
Related to story or related to any word, any English word which you want to know, which you can ask.
The question is from group B. Who is Ratan?
Ratan is an orphan girl whose age is 12 to 13 years.
Those who are asking or answering questions, they should keep their cameras on. And sit down and look into the camera and start speaking. Yes, your question and your answer. Remain sitting. बैठ के बोलो.
How the country of blind is found was repeat. How the country of blind was found
After and that's where.
Please raise your hand and answer. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
After the earthquake.
अब ये बोल रहा था ना, तो तुम चुप क्यों हो गए फिर? नहीं, बोलने दीजिए. Group work है ना, everybody has to participate.
Now I can.
I can ask. First of all the people of the village of blind country was because the natural disaster was earthquake from all the people of the country was blind.
Yes, very good. Yeah, your question.
No, I asked question from Ruby. Why the villagers not accept that?
Not accept Nunes.
Because they think that Nunes is
Why only one person is answering?
not answering that. I just question.
Different people answering. हाँ बोलिए ना, आप नहीं बोलो तो बोलो. हाँ.
Because peoples of the blind country thinks that the Nunes is an ugly person who have a disease in his eyes, which makes him ugly from them. That's all.
People at the back ask questions.
What is the reason for the country of the blind? What is the reason? How the country of the blind? What is the reason? रीजन क्या था कंट्री ऑफ द ब्लाइंड का? किस कारण से बल्कि जो वहां के लोग
अच्छा, मतलब है पूछने का, how did the country became blind? Why the country is called country of the blind? Yes, just now this question was answered.
Yes, your next question.
Who is the writer of the first selfish giant? The selfish giant. Who is the writer?
The writer of Selfish Giant, the name of the writer of Selfish Giant is Oscar Wilde. And my next question is from Group B. Who is the postmaster?
The postmaster is the main character of the chapter, The Postmaster, written by Rabindranath Tagore. He was the main character of this story, and he was a postmaster in Kolhapur village.
Yes, your question.
How much is considered in the Chinese data?
12 history. Yes, your name was Yaakov. Because he does not enter any children to his path.
He does not enter any children.
He does not allow.
How can he enter any children?
He did not get permission to any children.
He did not get permission.
He don't-
That is why I tell you to write paragraphs.
He did not allow any children to
He did not allow any children to.
enter in the God's path. Because they were selfish.
Everybody will be asking answering
My
questions.
question from Group B. Describe the giant sun. Describe the giant sun.
There are
Lily flowers and the birds. The bird singing in the and
beautiful tree.
Can you tell the postmaster is selfish? What is your answer according to that?
I think more important the service because when the postmaster came to Kolhapur, then he allowed to then he teach Ratan, and he also got food with Ratan. So I think he was not a selfish person.
This is my question. Why did the postmaster teach Ratan to read?
Because he has not nothing to rather than his work.
So he used to teach.
Yes.
In the against of postmaster, you are what you do. In the against of postmaster.
Instead of postmaster.
If you are in the place of the postmaster, what would you do? What action would you take? Had you been the postmaster? अगर तुम postmaster होते, had you been the postmaster, what would you have done?
I did same things as postmaster because no one man can adopt any girl. So I do same things as postmaster. Unmarried, why not adopt any girl? Right. So this is of India.
At that
Think of course.
जो बच्चे पार्टिसिपेट नहीं कर रहे हैं, ना क्वेश्चन पूछे हैं, ना आंसर करें, वो लोग चुप क्यों हैं?
So what happens to
नो, लेट देम आस्क. चलो, तुम लोग यहाँ से पूछ लेते हो, वो लोग बैठे रह जाते हैं. हाँ, ये चलो.
My question is, why are self-designed lead-in boards not allowed children? Why are self-designed lead-in boards not allowed children?
Why did the selfish giant put a board to prevent children from coming?
Because he don't wanted to let anyone enter in his garden, but himself. So he put a board that is.
How did Nunez falls in the country of blind?
I discussed this in the last class. The person had gone to buy food. Ah, yes.
Nunez wants to climb the mountain Parascot-Petal, and every day in daytime, Nunez and his friend used to climb the mountain, and in night time, they all are rest in the tent.
They all rested.
They all rested in the tent. In one night, the Nunez saw that one side of the tent rope was loose, and he decided to repair that tent.
He decided to fasten. F-A-S-T-E-N. F-A-S-T-E-N.
He decided to fasten that tent, and then he went there. He slipped and he fall down thousands of feet ago in the
1,000 feet ago.
ma'am, 1,000 feet down in the valley.
अगो कहाँ से बोली तू? लिख नहीं रहे हो, you're not writing. लिखते तो ये सब जानते हो, अगो लिखना है कि डाउन लिखना है. Writing is very important.
Yes, what is selfish giant friend name?
What is the name of the friend? Cornish Ogre. I think I have not told you this, na?
PDF
PDF में. अच्छा पढ़ रहे हैं? कुछ अपने मन से पढ़िए.
I have a question. Which place mountain Parascot is located?
Equator.
So
How the selfish giants are created? How the selfish giants are created?
In the selfish giant was in the room, then he saw the tree in the tree. Under the tree, one was sitting and cried that they'll see all activities from that.
I have a question.
Please complete
Complete your answer. When he saw when the giant was in his room, and he saw that giant in corner of the garden, was trying to climb the tree because he was unable in climbing. So giant is that how selfish I am. Earth gets melted.
After this,
I have a question. Why spring did not enter the giant's garden?
People at the back answer the question. पीछे जो बैठे हैं लोग जवाब नहीं दे रहे, मैं पूछ रहे हैं तो जवाब दे रहे हैं। हेलो, मैं जो सामने हूँ मैं उनको भी देख रही हूँ, जो नहीं बोल रहे उनको भी मैं देख रही हूँ। मैं कहानी सुनाई ना आपको? No, let him answer. Last boy. Do you know the story? Do you know the story? Then tell why the spring did not come. क्लास नहीं की? चलिए बताइए, एक मार्क्स आपका इस ग्रुप का कम हो गया। चलिए आप नो, जिसको चांस मिला वो उसने नहीं किया, नहीं किया। नो 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 नो, जिससे पूछा जा रहा है वो नहीं जवाब दिया। चलिए आप क्वेश्चन गोज बैक टू द टीम ए। आप बताइए, आपके मार्क्स कम हो गए क्या? नहीं देखेगा आंसर। अगर ये भी नहीं बोल पाएंगे तो इनका डबल मार्क्स कटेगा। किसने पूछा था ये क्वेश्चन? वही बताएगा। अगर उसको नहीं क्वेश्चन आ रहा है आंसर तो उसका डबल मार्क्स कटेगा। कर जाइए। Yes, very good. आपको बोनस मिलता है, आपका जो एक मिलने वाला था आपको नहीं मिलके उनको मिलता है। यही तो मजा है इस गेम का है। चैलेंज कीजिए एक दूसरे को, डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन बनाइए। देखिए क्वेश्चन, कहानी को बिल्कुल से इतना पढ़िए कि आप कहीं से क्वेश्चन उठाइए।
What is the birth of Rabindranath Tagore? Rabindranath Tagore. What is the birth?
When is the birthday? A birth date बताइए। Very good. चलो इनको पेनल्टी देना है। About the author, लेकिन पता होना चाहिए। हाँ, पता नहीं होगा तो 4 कटेगा इनका। You can challenge your friend. चैलेंज कर सकते हैं, डाउट क्लियर कर सकते हैं। चलो ग्रुप में ऐसा है जो कर सकते हैं, लेकिन अब पर्टिकुलरली आपसे पूछा जा रहा है तो आपको करना पड़ेगा। वो कह रहा है कि जो बच्चे सामने वही बोल रहे हैं, और जो नहीं बोल रहे हैं तो आपको भी ढूंढना पड़ेगा। क्वेश्चन इज फॉर दिस बॉय। जब क्वेश्चन पूछते हैं टीम ए या टीम बी तो आप सुन लीजिए, अपना एक चांस मिलता है कि आप किसी भी पूछना चाहते हैं आप पूछिए। वो नहीं जवाब दे रहा है तो मतलब कि आप ग्रुप वर्क करना है ना, ग्रुप करना। एक चांस दीजिएगा, वो नहीं बोल पाए तो दूसरा भी आप दे सकते हैं। चलिए एक और चांस, लेकिन चांस हम अलाउ नहीं करते हैं तो क्या होगा, इतने बच्चे में कोई ना कोई तो हमेशा होता है। ऐसे क्या होगा, हर एक बच्चा पढ़ के आएगा। और ये इतना इंटरेस्टिंग ये क्वेश्चन आंसर है ना, आप ही क्वेश्चन, आप ही के आंसर्स। क्वेश्चन पूछने के लिए भी लेसन को पढ़ना बहुत जरूरी होता है। तो अगर नहीं क्वेश्चन पूछेगा तो 3 मैंने एक साथ ले लिया तीनों इसका। अब हम शुरू कर रहे हैं इंडिया कैसे है, तो अगले क्लास में शुरू कर देंगे। स्टोरीज का ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट है एंड गुड दैट यू नो द आंसर्स, देन यू नो द स्टोरीज। बाकी जो जिनको भी डाउट है भाई पढ़ाई शुरू कर दीजिए, आपको सब कुछ कंटेंट में पूरा मिला हुआ है, पढ़िए थोड़ा करिए। हाँ जीडी का भी वैसे हम आप देखिए कम्युनिकेशन क्लब क्या होता है पहले बता रहे थे। एक घंटे के क्लास में 3-4 आइटम हो सकता है। जीडी हो सकता है 10 मिनट का, 10 मिनट का स्पीच हो सकता है, 20 मिनट हुआ, 10 मिनट का क्विज हो सकता है, 10 मिनट का रोल प्ले कर सकता है। ठीक है, तो 4 इवेंट, चाहे रोल प्ले करिए, चाहे न्यू एड निकालिए उसका करिए, एक्सेपोरे कीजिए, जैम इवेंट्स बहुत ज्यादा है। ट्रांसलेशन कीजिए, जैसे एक ग्रुप हिंदी में बोलेगा उसको आप ट्रांसलेट कीजिए इंग्लिश में। ये सब आपको करना है। कम्युनिकेशन क्लब आप टेक ओवर कीजिए अगले फ्राइडे से। डिफरेंट पीपल टेक अप डिफरेंट इवेंट्स। जैसे सिकंदर तुम कुछ ले लो, तुम क्विज कराओ, और कुछ लोग पीछे बैठे हुए हैं जो नहीं बोलते हैं, स्पीच का जिम्मा ले लीजिए। लेकिन स्पीच जो आप बोलिएगा ना वो सब पहले बता दीजिएगा ताकि लोग ठीक है। हाँ जीडी भी है, हो जाएगा। चल